are you? We doing our patrolling. What are you? Yeah, we are patrolling. This is our area. We are patrolling. This area is ours. This Chinese. No, this is Indian. Wait. As I told you, wait. Walk this question. Wait. Now, according to your map, according to my map, now when we go back. Yeah. But LSC is Chikenna. We are going to Chikenna. Take in the map that you have because you are 20 kilometers inside India. You come from Chikenna. This pass. Chikenna is where? Chikenna is where? Pass on the LSC. My English is also. So go back to your side of the LSC. I think by mistake. You go back to your side. I wait go back. Yeah, you go back to your side. We are going along from the LSC. LSC is around 20 kilometers from here. 15 to 20 kilometers from here. 10 and 5, 20 kilometers from here, LSC, in this direction, along this river. Which way you go back? You go back to north. We go back north. North, at least 15 to 20 kilometers. That's where the LSC is. You are 20 kilometers inside in this place. They say you will go back tomorrow morning. Now, I talk to them. We will go back tomorrow morning. We all go back to the morning. Yeah, we all go back. Yeah. But you go back to 20 kilometers inside. Area is up to the LSC, 20 kilometers ahead. You have 10 meters ahead area, and then is China. No, this is China. No. Anyways, that's what I'm saying. We don't talk this question. Yes, we don't talk this question. We go back.
Yeah.
What I'm saying is you are 20 kilometers inside. If it is the border, a little bit is understandable. It is a 20 kilometers.
Yeah.
You may speak to a Arab. Maybe there may be a mistake in the navigation or something because of this you are here. I would like to clarify that.
My English.
Doesn't matter. No, we go back.
You go back. We go back.
Fine.
Yeah. Now you go sleep. We go sleep. Tomorrow we or go back.
Okay, tomorrow we go back. But we should go back tomorrow. Back to my place was put I have to. Right. Had I known that the meeting I would not done things.
Yeah.
Maybe there at the bars or something. Maybe next time. Nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you. See you.
Bye.
লংতরাইয়ের গুঁড়ো মশলা হোক বা সর্ষের তেল, আমার দেশের প্রোডাক্ট, দেশের স্বাদের আনন্দ। লংতরাই রান্নায় তোমাকে চাই।